What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. I see my boy Eric in here early. What it do, my boy? Let me make sure my stuff getting right. Market just now open, so we are watching the charts. If you don't know, I do these lives just to journal my trades, and I just do it free live on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So let's watch these charts, see what's going on today on these charts, and see if we can get us some money, man. That's the main focus. See if we can make us some money. That's the main focus. So we just watching the charts right now. Let me make sure my audio coming in straight. Eric, what's up? What it do? All right. We're pretty decent right now, man. So yes, SPY did hit all-time highs yesterday. Maxo, I know you're holding that swing, man. I know you're holding that swing. I told you not to sell it. Hopefully you got you some paper out of there. Yeah, that was a good swing. Make sure my chart's right quick. All right, we good to go. Yeah, I know that swing went crazy yesterday. That QQQ swing. Cause yesterday, where we was at. Yesterday, when you was telling me you were scared yesterday, we was down here yesterday. We was at like 529. We went up about $5 almost. What it do, Mason? What it do, Guard Bear? What it do? So we want SPY. What we want SPY to do is, this is the all-time high right here, the 609 level. We want SPY to hold the all-time highs. So we wanted to sit over the all-time highs, and we just gonna watch this previous all-time high level. You know what I'm saying? So if we can hold this high and hold yesterday's high, that green line right there is yesterday's high. That green dotted line is pre-market high. If we can hold level today, we should be bullish today, but let's see. You never know. The market could want to pull back today. So we always got to be prepared for what the market wants to present to us. So I'm checking these stocks. If y'all see me looking around, y'all know I'm looking at these stocks, seeing what's going on. So let's see what we can find today, man. I am on a 2-minute chart. I use the 2-minute chart, first 30 minutes of the market, just to give me a more inside look at these candles before I go to the 5-minute candles. I go to the 5-minute candles at 10 a.m. That's just what works for me. You know what I'm saying? A lot when you get into trading, a lot of stuff is gonna go off of how you like it, how you like your chart set up. Um, just certain situations, how you like it, because you're not gonna like the exact way everybody else trading, but they can guide you to success. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna load up SPY calls though. I'm gonna load up SPY 610 calls. Let me see. We got a pullback right here. This is an early entry. I'm just shooting my shot at it. I'm going light. SPY call. It's an early entry, guys. I'm going light. SPY calls. 510 calls. We holding our lows, and we're sitting above open price level. So if we pass this candle right here, I will get a early entry on SPY calls. You said Tesla finna go crazy? Let me see what Tesla doing. I'm looking. It don't look like it. All right, guys. I'm in spot calls. Spot calls. 0 DTE. My stop loss would be this pre-market high. Not pre-market high. Yesterday's high, this green line right here. It's a lot of volatility in the market right now. I'm light as hell. Guys. You say I'm a bad man? Yeah, I am. You know what I'm saying? We sitting in freelance right now, so I'd rather just see what it's gonna do. I'm just taking an early stab at it. I'm not heavy at all. He said Tesla finna go crazy. Everybody's probably selling them contracts. Let's see what it do. Let's see what SPY wants to do today. He said Tesla finna go crazy. Let's see what Tesla doing. Tesla finna go crazy. Where? What are you talking about? All right, guys, we in the money. We up 2% right now. There we go. I'm gonna scalp the fuck out of this just to let y'all know. We up 5% right now on SPY. We are in SPY right there. We go. We up 7% right now. SPY calls. Take y'all trims if you got a little money. If you're making a little money, take y'all trims. That boy Eric said I'm a bad man. Shit. I already took a slight trim. Just getting a little green in today. It's early with it. Let's see what SPY wants to do. I don't like that QQQ is kind of weak right now. I don't know what QQQ got going on. Did you take SPY call already? Yep. I already entered SPY. I'm in right now. We up 3% right now. I already entered. All I seen was SPY is holding this open price. SPY open right here. This is open price level. We up 10%, guys. 10%. I seen SPY holding this open price level right here. We back down to 5%. And you see those wicks? We wicked right off an open price level. So that gave me the indication this we strong right here. We holding this level. So that just presents just a quick scalp to me. This isn't a trade I would sit in all day. Hell no. I would scalp this. Yeah, I already took SPY calls. We got up to 10%. I took a trim. Stop loss break even on the rest of these runners right here. It might retest. This high of day right here. High of yesterday right here. Who said Tesla was about to go crazy? Meta and NVIDIA is dropping off. Google looking pretty decent. I'm still in SPY. Let's see what SPY want to do. We got up to 10% up here. I took a slight trim. Let's see. My stop loss is this open price level. This yellow line right here. If we break that level, I probably get out. But you see how QQQ is very weak? Look at this shit right here. I don't like that. So let's see. We still wicking off of this open price level. We still wicking off. We got the open price level, high of day level, high of yesterday level, and we got the pre-market high level all sitting together. That presents to me a strong support level. You know what I'm saying? That's just me. You know what I'm saying? 608 puts on SPY. That boy Eric Reckless. 608 put on SPY. Let me take that off the screen for somebody thinking I told y'all to get in there. I ain't tell y'all that. We up 3% on SPY. SPY could dump in a minute. That's why I'm finna scalp this. I'm gonna get out in a minute. See if I can get me a little more. Just being a little greedy. You know what I'm saying? Just being a little greedy. Look at Tesla. Check out Tesla. I'm back to 8% on SPY. 8% on SPY calls. I'm already back to 8% on SPY calls. There we go. Come on, SPY. Let's go. Pass this candle. Pass this candle. Hey, here's another pullback. Pass this candle. There we go. All right, I'm still holding. We sitting at 6% right now. We up 6%. I am in SPY calls right now. SPY calls right now. And this is a great setup for me. I take risks, you know what I'm saying? I take risks. We broke new time. We broke highs yesterday. I'm the person that's gonna take the risk, and we're gonna get in there and see what it's gonna do. We up 10%. There we go. I told y'all. Hey, you gotta get some exposure. You gotta get out there. Put your money out there. I went off my technicals. My technicals was hitting. It passed my level that I marked yesterday, and I marked these levels this morning. As soon as it passed my levels, I got in. It held my level. I got in. We up 7% right now. You ain't got to make this shit hard, man. Just do this shit every day. Same thing. Do the same thing. We do the same thing every day. Wait on the pullback. Wait on the to break our levels. Wait on the to pass our containment candle, and we get in. We up 10% right now. There goes SPY right there. Let's go, man. I show y'all this shit for free, bro. Hit me a like. Hit a like. Hit a like. We are 8%. 8%. I want a little bit more out of SPY. Let's see what this next candle does. We have 18 seconds left on this candle. Come on, SPY. Don't pull back on me like that. Let's see what everything else doing. Everything is pretty bearish, bro. I don't know why. Everything else is pretty bearish. Let's go, SPY. Y'all see SPY is still grinding higher. It's still grinding higher. We back up to 11% now on SPY. Let's see what we can get out of it. If you up, I would get out. I would take some trims right now if you up. If you're up right now, I would take some trims right now. I'm still in. We up 7%. Hopefully we can get a little bit more out of it and not get out of all my contracts. But as you can see, we still grinding higher. Look at that. We still grinding higher. We up 15% right now. 15% on SPY. 15%, guys. There we go. 16%. 610 level. 610 level. We up 16%. All right, we back down to 13%. I'm gonna take one more trim in a second. Give me 1 second. Keep getting rejected. That's 610 level. So we at 15%. All right, I'm gonna take another trim. All right, I'm only in runners. All right, so we got a big wick right there. So quick tip for you guys when you trading all-time highs. So every dollar level, this is just my opinion. This is what I was taught, and I'll teach you guys the same thing because it works for me. You know what I'm saying? So we back up to 10%. There we go. So trading all-time highs. Once you get above all-time high levels, you want to use every dollar range as a resistance points because you don't have any kind of resistance or support levels up there. So every dollar level, when you get above all-time highs, that's where you want to watch for your resistance and your support levels, every dollar level. So 610, 611, you want to watch those levels real close just to make sure that's not a point where the chart wants to pull up. Oh shit. Oh shit. We got news. 28%. All right, I'm taking the trim, taking the trim, taking the trim. Oh shit. Did y'all see that? Oh shit. Was that news? Oh man. Did y'all see that candle? We caught that. Oh shit. Oh man. Taking a trim on that one. Yep. I don't know if we caught news or what, but we good to go. It went up 30%. It went up 30. It was at 26, 20. Yeah, it went up 30%. Damn, I don't know what that was. Did y'all see that candle? I know I looked at the news today. I didn't see no news today. Damn. That was a great one. That was a great one. All right. I'm all out of spot, guys. That was 30% right there. That was great. Damn, that was a fast entry though. Fast entry though. Fast entry. I don't know what that was. Did y'all see that candle that went up? Damn. Friday, 0 DTE, baby. This is why I like 0 DTE days, Fridays. Them charts be moving. It just be a lot of volatility in the market. You know what I'm saying? That was a great trade. That was a great trade. I could have held it, but a little bit, but I'm not greedy. 30%. Hey, I'm good with it. I'm not greedy. I got in down here. This is where I got in at. Damn, I would try these QQQ calls, but let me wait. I got in right here. SPY went up, came back down, retested the open price level right here. Soon as we passed the open price level, that's when I entered. That red candle right there, when we passed that previous candle, that's when I entered for calls. We grinded up slowly. We got some random, that had to be news or something. This candle right here just shot up and we got up to 30%. And that's when I got out of everything. I took trims along the way, but y'all know how it go. That was a good trade. Good trade. Y'all must have missed that one with me because ain't nobody saying nothing in the comments. Y'all must have missed that one. I know it was an early entry. My bad. But I had to. If I was you, QQQ would be a good entry right now. QQQ would be a good entry right now. See what I'm saying? QQQ, that's a good entry right there. Yeah, that's a nice entry. You got to pull back. You got a nice entry on SPY too. Right off the pullback. Yeah, that was a nice trade, guys. Y'all must have missed that one though. It was quick. I got in early. 0 DTE, guys. So y'all know how 0 DTE days move. They move fast. SPY giving another entry. Damn, I should have gotten that QQQ. Fuck. You said made $20 off 2 cons. You said you missed it, Mason. Damn. Yeah, it was quick. I should have gotten QQQ though. Yeah, I was early with it. I just seen it. It was too quick. As soon as the market opened, it had already broke my levels. You know what I'm saying? It was just quick. It had already broke my levels. As soon as I see the chart breaking my levels already, and we had got an early pullback, I had to take it. You know what I'm saying? Had to. But let's see what everything else doing. Where's Mason at? Mason, you still in that QQQ swing, or you sold it? Did you sell it? We probably gonna grind all day. We probably gonna grind higher all day. Not gonna lie, I'm up pretty decent from that first trade. Not gonna even lie to y'all. Silent Trey. You still in the QQQ code? Okay. I mean, not Mason, Maxo. Expiration 129. All right. You gotta be up. You gotta be up at least. How much you up? You gotta be up. At least. If you got in where I think you got in, you gotta be up at least 100% on that swing. You gotta be up at least 100% on that swing. Damn. They was early with it today. I had to take that though. I seen it. Let me see if we can see something else though. Who said Tesla was about to take off? What, y'all got some news or something? Easy Money. Easy Money said Tesla was finna go crazy. Tesla ain't did nothing yet, my boy. Nothing really yet. Here's another entry on QQQ. It's holding the low, it's holding the pre-market high. This is what you want to see. This is how you can indicate how to size up a little bit more. If the chart breaking your levels, and it's holding under, it's holding the resistance, this is where you can size up a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? But just keep your stop losses tight. You know what I'm saying? There's QQQ. Gave a pullback entry on QQQ. There it goes. SPY about to bounce off the 9 EMA right here. We already got some money on SPY. I'm gonna let it ride. I told y'all, pullback entry on QQQ. I told y'all, look. Pullback entry on QQQ. There it is. I just said it. Market strong. All right, we're gonna see what else going on right now. Who Eric, you got in them puts? Did you get in them puts, Eric? You might finna get some if you got in where I think you got in at. Yeah, we pulling back a little bit now. Pulling back. Let's see what all these other stocks doing. I don't see Tesla doing anything sweet right now to me at the moment. Amazon holding this pre-market high right here. Amazon, you see all that? It held every level. It held the 200 moving average. It held yesterday's high. Amazon got a good support level right now. It got good supports level right now. So the only way it can go is which way? Up. You know what I'm saying? unless we get rejected. You know what I mean? Look at Google. Google. This is a 2-minute trend, a little small trend going up. That's a trend. Y'all see the trend? You see the uptrend? That's why I like trading the trend. All you gotta do is get in, find a pullback, and get in. Here's a pullback right here. You see how we went up, 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 and we came down. Here's the pullback candle. This green one right here, in between these two red ones. Soon as we passed it, entry. It's simple. Let's see what these other stocks doing. AMD dropped down a little bit. Ain't doing nothing. You see, hopped in Tesla calls, 420 call on that pullback, 30%. Oh shit. Oh, right here. You probably got in right here, huh? Above that open price, 30%. Damn. I hope you stayed in because it's still getting that money. That boy Mason using our strategies, getting that money. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't even looking at Tesla. I had already hit up SPY. I'm good. I got to see a perfect entry for me to get in something else. It's Friday. Y'all know if you trade 0 DTE, so sometimes if you want to be cautious on Fridays, right? You said ABGO. If you want to be cautious on Fridays, I would trade the next week's. Damn, damn. The fuck. All right, never mind. Yeah, that's a good chart, but we missed that move. But yeah, if you want to be cautious, I would trade next week contracts. So on Fridays, if you want to be cautious, trade next week contract. Me, I'm trading 0 DTE. I want the contract they end on Friday because they're gonna pay me some more. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah, Mason using that pullback strategy, man. I'm telling you, man, that shit's like an 80 to 85% win percentage. Pullback strategy is simple. But yeah, so you want to trade the next week's contract. So next week date is, what is the first next week? Is Friday the 27th. Friday the 27th. So you want to pick those contracts. You want to pick the 27 contracts for your expiration date when you buy your plays. If you want to be cautious. If you don't want to be cautious, buy today's contract that end on the 24th. That's what I do. I love trading 0 DTE because it just brings a lot of volatility in the and all 0 DTE mean is 0 days to expiration, meaning people that swinging them contracts and they expire on today, they got to do something with them or they gonna lose their money. Sell them, take your money, or take your L. And when they do that, the market moves a lot. Look, we bouncing off the 9 EMA on the 5-minute. Y'all know I love the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute, we bouncing off the 9 EMA right here. 9 EMA. So some people take entries right off of the 9 EMA. And we got VWAP sitting right there, right, too. That white line right there, that's VWAP. Volume weighted price. That's VWAP. That is a strong level as well. That is a great indication. That white line right there, that is a great indication if we are bearish or bullish. I'll show y'all my settings for VWAP. Here it is right here. VWAP. This is the main thing on VWAP you want to look for. I did move to the 5-minute charts, guys. I did move to the 5-minute charts. This is the main thing on VWAP you want to look for. You want to make sure it's on HLC3. Don't ask me why. Just put it on there. You want to make sure it's on HLC3 on the source. And all you want to delete all these bands right here. All you want is the VWAP line. That's all you want. Just make it look just like mine. I have it a dotted white line. I just use different colors so I know exactly what each one is. Yeah, man. We hit up. Oh, SPY giving another entry. We hit up SPY early, man. We hit up SPY down here. Got a quick 30% out of that. Friday 0 DTE contracts. Y'all know how them contracts go. We got another entry on SPY, another entry on QQQ. Look at that. Pullback entries. Pullback entries. Look at that. That's a pullback candle. Pullback. That's an entry right there. Soon as QQQ, soon as it passed that previous candle, enter. That's a pullback right there. But I'm not in anything right now. We already made money. Being cautious today. I ain't trying to get back no gains like that, to be honest. I done done that the past couple days. Not the past couple days. Like last Friday, I think I did that. I was up pretty good. Got greedy, got in something else, and lost half of it. Apple. Whoa. What's going on with Apple? Whoa, Apple. We are on the 5-minute charts. Amazon. Tesla. Okay, Tesla. Tesla can break this consolidation. It can make a good move. Look at that. These are 5-minute candles. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. Tesla has held this level. So what do you think it's going to do when it passes this level? When we pass this consolidation level, when I say level, I mean in this consolidation, meaning all the candles are going up to this point and getting rejected. At the bottom, all the candles are going down to this point and getting rejected down towards the downward on that 200 moving average. That's why I told y'all that 200 moving average, that orange line is a strong level. Here's my settings for the 200 moving average. This is just to help y'all. You clearly see it's bouncing off that level. Don't you think, hey, this might be a level I need on this chart? You know what I'm saying? 200 moving average. Here's my settings. So once we get above this consolidation, you can use the top of the consolidation as a strong resistance point. You know what I'm saying? Or if we get below it, you can use the bottom of it as a support level at the top, as a strong support level. I do like trading consolidation breakouts, because once they break out, you're gonna get at least 20-30%, because it's just been consolidating so long. The longer the consolidation, we got a big rejection. Nah, I'm not in no Tesla, my boy. We just had a big rejection. I was just giving an example if it does do that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we up pretty good today. We got in Tesla calls up here. We pulling back though. Yeah, guys, it's Friday. We hit a quick 30% this morning. Now the stock's playing around. I'm glad I got that early hit. We hit this spot right here. Whatever that was right there, that counter right there made us some money. Now it look like we pulling back. We pulling all the way back. Look at this shit. Did you get in those puts, Eric? We pulling all the way back. Yeah, I'm good with it. I'm gonna give these charts about 10 more minutes, guys. It's Friday. I kind of got some stuff to do today. We already hit real quick. Damn, look at Apple. But I still gonna get on live with y'all. Watch these charts for the first hour. If you haven't joined the Discord, go ahead and join it. Link in the bio. Is it in this bio? It's probably not in this bio. I have to add it. But just go to my oh, you got them puts? All right. Just go to my damn. It's still going down. Yeah, that's 611. I think that 611 was the resistance. That's what it rejected off of right here, because we went up here to 611 and it never went back above the high of today. Yeah. So we probably gonna drop off for a little minute. Damn, Apple is the most bearish chart right now. Look at that. Apple. All right. But we'll probably recover. Not in anything right now. Just watching the chart. Just watching the charts. We only came down. We went up, came down. Now it's like we really, really retesting yesterday's high. The video, a little choppiness on the video. Not a lot of movement. It did move $2 when it opened up though, from 148 to 146. All right, Tesla. If Tesla breaks this consolidation, it's gonna go crazy. See how long it's been consolidating? The longer the consolidation, the bigger the move will be. Tesla might be gonna go crazy for the Tesla puts if it can get under that 200 moving average. It needs to break under that 200 moving average. But if it breaks pre-market low, those are the levels you wanted to break. Pre-market low, pre-market high, yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Those are the levels. AMD, a little choppy. Microsoft, a little choppy. Soon as the market opened, damn, Microsoft moved $4. That's a $4 candle. Let me look at something. Okay, Microsoft. I was trying to see if we had a little gap up overnight, but not really. I want to show y'all a new strategy. Well, not new, something I've done before. It's called sucker strategy. That's what I call it. When the suckers think the market gonna go up and it's gonna drop down after a big gap up overnight, that's called a sucker strategy. People think it's gonna keep going up. When as a trader, people gonna sell them contracts, and we're gonna be bearish for a minute when the market opens because we had a big gap up. So you get in puts, and usually you'll have a big move right when market open. It's risky as hell, but hey, you got to take some risk. You got to take some risk in the market if you want to be successful. You got to take some risk. Look at Tesla. Tesla finished below that open price level. Couple more minutes, guys, and I'm off of here, man. We hit SPY up early. Soon as market open, I got a pull back, and we hit SPY. Look like we figuring it out a little bit. Now we just got to figure out which way the market wants to go now. Had a big pullback. NVIDIA choppy, AMD a little choppy. Everything is chopping up right now for the moment, except Apple. Apple is the only one. Apple must got some kind of news. Let's see. Let me look up some market news and see what's going on with Apple. I don't really see nothing. Yeah. But y'all know next week, man, the big week. Next week is the big week. Yeah, Tesla puts. Let me see. Let me look again. The big week is next week, man. We got all the major, well, most of the major companies reporting earnings. Y'all know them companies got to report them earnings. All earnings season is if you buy stock, So basically, the stock market is companies can put their companies in the stock market, and they let the public trade it, and that's what we do. We trade the stocks. So by us being able to freely trade the stock, they have to give us their earnings report. They have to let us know how much did y'all make this quarter of the year. Earnings is 4 times a year, each quarter of the year. So they have to let all the investors know, whoever holding their stock, whoever buying their stock, they have to let them know how much we made. How much did y'all make? So I know that I'm still investing in a good company. So if they have bad earnings, you're gonna see a bad chart. You're gonna see a lot of red on the chart. If they got good earnings, you'll see a lot of green on the chart. Just how Netflix did Monday or Tuesday. This what earnings can do right here. Especially if you swinging some shit. Look at Netflix. I don't trade Netflix no more. I will only swing Netflix. I hate trading Netflix. It just moves weird to me, and I've lost a lot of money off Netflix. But look what earnings can do. Look what Netflix did in one day. This was Tuesday of this week. Tuesday, Netflix went from 853 all the way to 990. 853 almost to 9. That's over like 1,000%, something like that. Like that's what earnings can do. So yeah, next week we got earnings, man. Earnings coming up next week. Let's see what Tesla doing real quick. Yeah, Tesla playing around. You have to wait on that. I would enter Tesla at the break of this 200 moving average. If we can break this 200 moving average and hold it, if I was you, that's where I would enter at. But all right, guys, man, we hit up SPY early, man. I'm good with my one trade for the day. I'll be back next week, man. Monday, I'll be back next week. I still have that video. I haven't forgot. I still have that video. How to set up your active trader on Webull. I still have it. Just give me a minute. I got to do a little editing some stuff on there, but just give me a minute. I will be uploading that. But yeah, guys, man, it's your boy Clark, man, and I'm out of here. Y'all have a great weekend.